Welcome back to my channel. In this question, we asked to make L the subject of the formula. Okay, now given the question, T is equals to 2 pi open bracket L all over G raised by 1 over 3. Then we can write solution where we say T is equals to pi L all over G raised by 1 over 3. Since we have this one is contained here, we can easily divide both sides by 2 pi. Let's divide both sides by 2 pi so that we can remove the 2 pi from the right hand side. Okay, then we say T all over 2 pi is equals to 2 pi into L over G 1 over 3. This one all over 2 pi. 2 pi cancel out, remain T all over 2 pi is equals to L 1 over G is power 1 over 3. Then us to remove the 1 over 3, we can take the cube root of both sides. Let's take the cube root of both sides. If we take the cube root of both sides, we have T all over 2 pi into 3. This is equals to L over G plus 1 over 3 times 3. The 3 cancel out, remain e raised power 2 1 over 2 raised power 3 pi also raised power 3. This is equals L all over G. This one is already gone, the power. Now we can simplify this by saying we have T raised power 3 2 raised power 3. This is equals to 8 pi cube is equals to L all over G. Then now we multiply 2 by G. Let's multiply 2 by G, where we have G multiplied by T cube all over 8 pi. This is equals to L is equals to G multiplied by L all over G, where L all over G cancel out. This is equals to G multiplied by T. Here we have G T cube all over 8 cube. This is equals to G cancel out, remain L here. Therefore, L is equals to GT cube all over 8 pi cube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.